if you want to create large-scale success, listen very, very closely. If you don't want to be highly successful, you should plug your ears in now, okay? Ready? If you're going to be really rich, this is what I'd highly recommend. The word is systems. Systems. You've got to replace yourself. If you are still stuck in your business, doing your business, you are the cog in the wheel. In fact, because you're the cog in the wheel, you're the clog in the wheel. You're the one in the way. If your business cannot operate without you being there, you've got a problem. You will never achieve your potential financially or business-wise. It's not going to happen because it's a numbers game, yes or yes. And so you've got to be able to do a lot of numbers and help a lot of people. And to do that, for the most part, you have to be out of the way. So you have to have business systems. And the first business system you've got to have is you have to have a marketing system that works. What's the word? It works. When you spend $10,000 on marketing, you bring back $30,000, $50,000, $100,000 for that $10,000. You know what most people do? They spend $10,000 on marketing, they lose $5,000. Of all the business, they lose money. That's marketing that doesn't work. You do not put a system out that doesn't work. There's no systemizing that. So you got to have a marketing system that works. You got to have a production system that works without you. If you're the product, I'm sorry, you're in a personal service business, which is really just a glorified job. Let's call it self-employed. You got to get out of that mode. Your business needs to be a separate entity, okay? Start thinking bigger.